hungry now, need a snack pack. Go over to the kitchen to go grab that. Got a rumble in my stomach in this Batman, and there is no cake, sad man. Bruh, let's change that. I'm way too smart, listen, Grandma. Grandma, can we go and bake a cake now? Here's how, man. Let's go grab vanilla and sugar and flour now. And don't forget powder wow. Next, get the egg, crack it then. Don't forget the sweet sugar man, cause it's going down, avalanche. So let's pour this milk in the bag. Queen Ray's going insane, excited, yeah? Now it's time to make this butter, yeah? I wonder what happens when we make this mixture. Will it just look the same or make a brand new picture? Then what happens when we use the computer? Will it just look bunched up or smooth and neat? You whirl it around like, ooh, and push it in there like, whip it all up, as we mix it all up. Don't you forget to preheat the oven to 350 degrees, and don't snap, we are almost done. Our cake's ready to go fill this heat. Now watch what happens while it's in GE. What does heat do? Will it look brand new? Let's see what changes when you go and bake a cake. Bake a cake! Bake a cake. Bake a cake. Let's go bake a cake! Bake a cake. Bake a cake, yummy. Bake a cake, yummy. Bake a cake, yummy. Bake a cake, yummy. Bake a cake. Got the cake in the bake now. Wonder what will change now. Sticky batter to a flip flop. When the heat changed the batter to a pillow top. Now I'm watching the TikTok. See some bubbles on the tip top. The smell hits my nose so hot. The heat makes the cake jump like crisscross. Jump! C2 is used to make the batter bubble. And the bubbles get trapped and heat makes them grow bigger. Then what's next? Not sure. Did you hear a ding from the timer? Tick, 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 ding! It went from liquid to a sponge, that's for sure. Now Grandma takes it out. We gotta wait for it to cool down. It smells great, can't wait. Wanna slice it up now? The cake's missing me. I want it in my me. I go grab my plate and wait, but we gotta add the frosting. What? See this thing coming from the top. He made the vapor come like the top. Then I bounced like a belly flop. Got one eye on the cake. Very wop. Yeah, baby. It's good and hot. It's so amazing. Science is so cool. And wonder what else I can change with this technique. So sweet. Now the cake's ready. It's time to go eat. It's so delicious. The sweet vanilla treat. You should try it. Learn some chemistry. Now I know what happens when we bake the cake. Bake a cake. Bake a cake. Bake a cake. Let's go bake a cake. Bake a cake. Bake a cake. Yummy. Bake a cake. Yummy. Bake a cake. Yummy. Bake a cake. Yummy. Bake a cake. I love chemistry. This cake is good. Yum 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 yum. Yum 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 yum. Yum 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 yum. Yum 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 yum.